Choosing the right concealed carry gun isn't just a tactical decision, it's a personal one. Whether new to concealed carry or just looking for an upgrade, you want something compact, reliable, and that seamlessly fits into your daily life. In this video, we're diving into some of the best concealed carry options, firearms that bring together comfort, control, and confidence, all in a package you can have every day. Each gun we're covering has something special to offer, whether it's unbeatable ergonomics, smooth triggers, or top-tier capacity in a compact size. So if you're looking to narrow down your search and find the perfect EDC companion, you're in the right place. And hey, if you're enjoying this kind of content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It helps more than you know and keeps awesome videos like this coming your way. Let's jump into it. Number 12. Smith & Wesson Shield EZ. The Shield EZ lives up to its name. Easy to rack, easy to shoot, and easy to carry. Chambered in .380, ACP, or 9mm, it delivers soft recoil and confidence-building performance in a compact frame. Measuring 6.7 inches in length and weighing just 18.5 ounces, it's a breeze for everyday carry. The slide is one of the easiest to manipulate on the market, making it perfect for those with reduced hand strength. A built-in grip safety adds an extra layer of protection without being intrusive. The 8+1 round capacity offers enough firepower while keeping the grip slim and ergonomic. With a crisp trigger and 3-dot sights, it stays accurate and intuitive. New models average around $400, while used options run near $350, depending on model and location. Number 11. Kimber R7 Mako Tactical. Small frame, serious firepower. The Kimber R7. Mako Tactical is built for quick response and confident carry. This micro-compact holds 11+1 rounds and can be upgraded to 13+1 with an extended mag, offering you flexibility without bulk. It weighs around 19.5 ounces and features a 3.37-inch barrel that balances concealment with real shootability. Kimber designed this model with a crisp trigger and bright iron sights that make target acquisition fast and intuitive. The aggressive slide serrations and optics ready cut add tactical flexibility, even in a small platform. It's built tough with a steel slide and polymer frame, designed for real-world carry. Whether you're defending your home or your everyday life, the Mako Tactical is ready to respond. It's compact, capable, and packed with smart details. Number 10. Ruger LCP Max. Tiny but tough, the Ruger LCP Max is the definition of deep concealment done right. Weighing only 10.6 ounces and measuring just 2.8 inches at the barrel, it practically vanishes in a pocket or holster. But don't let the size fool you. It packs 10+1 rounds of .380 ACP, giving it a real edge over earlier micro pistols. The grip has been improved for better control, and the upgraded sights, especially the high visibility front, make it faster to line up your target. It's built for carry, not for show, and it does the job with surprising comfort and confidence. If you want something ultra discreet but still capable, the LCP Max is a top contender. It's proof that small doesn't mean underpowered. Number 9. Canik TP9 Elite SC. The Canik TP9 Elite SC punches well above its weight in the subcompact class. With a 12+1 or optional 15+1 capacity, it delivers high firepower in a carry-ready size. It weighs 24.78 ounces and features a 3.6-inch barrel, offering great balance between concealability and shootability. Known for its exceptional trigger, the Elite SC breaks clean and resets fast, giving you better control under pressure. The slide is optics-ready, allowing quick upgrades with your favorite red dot. Canik also includes useful extras like interchangeable backstraps and a holster right out of the box. At its price point, this pistol is a serious value for both new carriers and experienced shooters alike. It's ready for EDC or range time without missing a beat. Number 8. HKVP9 SK. The HKVP9 SK brings premium feel and performance into a carry-sized package. It offers a 10+1 standard capacity with optional 13 and 15 round mags for those who want a little more. At just over 23 ounces and with a 3.39-inch barrel, it handles smoothly while staying compact enough for discreet carry. What really sets it apart is the fully customizable grip. Interchangeable backstraps and side panels help you dial in the fit perfectly to your hand. It's comfortable, balanced, and features one of the nicest stock triggers you'll find in a striker-fired pistol. Accuracy is excellent, and the overall quality reflects HK's attention to detail. If you're after a refined, carry-ready pistol that just feels right, this is it. Number 7. Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 2.0. If staying low profile is a top priority, the Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 2.0 delivers serious performance in a tiny footprint. With a 6+1 capacity and a weight of just over 14 ounces, it's one of the lightest options in the CDW world. The short 2.75-inch barrel keeps it ultra compact, while the integrated laser sight helps you lock onto your target when every second counts. It's built for pocket, purse, or ankle carry, wherever discretion is key. Despite the size, it feels solid in hand and offers smooth, snag-free edges for easy draw. This little pistol is ideal for backup use or minimalist everyday carry. You'll barely feel it until the moment you need it. Number 6. Bersa Thunder 380. Compact, lightweight, and easy to control, the Bersa Thunder 380 has earned its place as a go-to for seniors and new shooters alike. Chambered in .380 ACP, it offers manageable recoil without sacrificing effectiveness. With a 3.5-inch barrel, 6.6-inch overall length, and weighing just 20 ounces, it's a comfortable carry companion. The slim, ergonomic grip fits well in smaller hands and helps maintain accuracy in fast-paced scenarios. A manual safety and decocker add peace of mind, especially for those who prioritize safe handling. It carries 7+1 rounds in a single stack magazine, keeping the frame compact and easy to conceal. The crisp trigger and intuitive controls make it approachable for all skill levels. Priced around $313 new and $175 used, it delivers solid value for everyday defense. Number 5. Colt 380 Mustang. The Colt 380 Mustang brings classic styling and compact firepower into one easy-to-carry package. Chambered in .380 ACP, it delivers low recoil in a frame designed for comfort and confidence. At just 5.5 inches long and 12.5 ounces in weight, this pistol is incredibly light and easy to manage. Its 2.75-inch barrel and slim design make it a great choice for discreet carry without feeling underpowered. The Mustang holds 6+1 rounds and features a crisp single-action trigger that's easy to shoot accurately, even with minimal hand strength. Its intuitive, no-fuss controls make it ideal for seniors or anyone wanting simplicity without compromise. It's compact, reliable, and elegant in function. Expect to pay around $1,604 new or $714 used, depending on condition. Number 4. Glock 44. If you're after a lightweight and low recoil pistol that's easy to operate, the Glock 44 checks every box. This .22 LR handgun is ideal for training, practice, or even self-defense for those who prefer something light and simple. With a 4.02-inch barrel and overall length of 7.28 inches, it feels full-sized in hand, but weighs only 12.63 ounces unloaded. Its manageable size and soft shooting caliber make it a strong choice for seniors or new shooters. Glock's safe action system provides solid peace of mind without making things complicated. The adjustable rear sight and comfortable textured grip add control and consistency with every shot. Whether you're building confidence or just want something easy to shoot, the Glock 44 delivers. The average price sits at $371 new. Number 3. Walther CCP M2. The Walther CCP M2 is built for shooters who want comfort, control, and just a bit more power in a compact carry gun. Chambered in 9mm, it uses soft coil gas technology to reduce felt recoil, making each shot easier to manage, especially important for seniors or those with weaker hands. It has a 3.54-inch barrel, an overall length of 6.41 inches, and weighs 22.3 ounces, striking a nice balance between stability and portability. The ergonomic grip reduces fatigue and helps with accuracy during longer practice sessions. It's easy to rack, features a manual safety, and carries 8+1 rounds, offering more capacity than many other compacts. Smooth to shoot and simple to handle, the CCP M2 is a thoughtful choice. Expect around $445 new and $350 used. Number 2. Glock 19. When people talk about dependable carry guns, the Glock 19 almost always enters the conversation, and for good reason. With a standard 15+1 capacity in a compact frame, it delivers full-size performance without full-size bulk. The 4.01-inch barrel offers excellent balance for both precision and control, and at 23.63 ounces unloaded, it's light enough for daily carry but hefty enough to manage recoil. Trusted by both law enforcement and civilians alike, it's built on Glock's time-tested polymer frame with a steel slide that's made to last. The safe action trigger and no-nonsense controls are intuitive and easy to master. If you're looking for a solid all-around pistol that just works every time, you can't go wrong with the Glock 19. It's a classic for a reason. Number 1. Ruger Security 380. Smart, lightweight, and built with usability in mind, the Ruger Security 380 is a standout for affordable concealed carry. It runs on .380 and comes with both a 10+1 and 15-round magazine, giving you flexible capacity choices. At 6.52 inches long and 19.7 ounces unloaded, it's perfectly sized for easy carry without sacrificing comfort or shootability. The standout feature is the light rack system, which makes the slide exceptionally easy to rack, an ideal touch for seniors or those with hand strength concerns. Rear cocking ears and bold serrations make it even easier to manipulate under stress. A fiber optic front sight and adjustable rear add precision to every shot. Priced around $369 new, it's an excellent value for new carriers or anyone wanting comfort without compromise. And that's the list. If one of these stood out to you or felt like the kind of pistol you'd want to carry, drop it in the comments. I'm always curious to see what you trust and why. No wrong answers here. This isn't just about specs, it's about comfort, confidence, and finding what actually works for you. So, whether you're brand new to carrying or you've been at it for years, I hope this gave you something real to think about. Thanks for watching, thanks for being part of this community, and if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I've got more no-fluff firearm content coming your way soon. Until next time, stay sharp, stay safe, and carry smart.